Let's talk about shielded wiring. Shielded wiring is recommended on jobs that may have a large amount of noise, but we do not require its use. If you are using shielded wiring, the shielding must be grounded. In our case, to ensure proper operation, you'll take the shield ground, which is normally a silver-colored uninsulated wire, also known as a drain, and connect it directly to the ground at the outdoor unit, and at the outdoor unit only. For single-zone and multi-zone units, you'll ground the shielding at only the outdoor unit's ground. In the case of daisy chain communication, like what is found in our MultiPRO line, you'll ground the shielding at the outdoor unit, tie the two grounds together at each indoor unit without grounding them. Make sure they cannot touch the cabinet. We suggest using electrical tape, wire nuts, or butt splices for the shield ground itself. At the last indoor unit, you'll cut off the excess and ensure that it won't ground inside the unit. This ensures proper operation of the unit. Thanks for watching. At GREE, we're by your side.